TRiUMPHxDnH and this is Hadley's bike check. It's a Mongoose Fraction 2011 and I started with my bars and went way down to the back wheel. Yeah, my bars are 8.5 rise, 29 width, 10 back and 2 up. I've got the stock Mongoose stem and the impact headset. I've put the gyro on, which is blank. It cost me about 16 quid. Got Mongoose lever, brake lever, if you can see, bit scratched. And I've got the Odyssey grips, which are quite nice to ride with. And I've got some custom bar ends, which are steel, so they're quite cool. In my wheel, I've got some tyres, the Odyssey, got 100 psi, quite nice, really thick, good for doing foot jams. I've got a metallic grey rim, which is really strong. And I've got a TRiUMPHx hub with sealed bearings, it's quite nice. Yeah, I've got the black spokes with the silver ends. Let's say fraction on my frame, Mongoose. Got the Odyssey twist pedals, which are quite muddy, so yeah. 3-piece stock crank arms. I've got the stock Mongoose sprocket with half-link chain. I've got a new seat, which is Mike Aiken Pivotal, cost me 30 quid, and a Savage Pivotal seat post, which is about 13-14 quid. Got some new squeaky brake pads, which are about 4 or 5 quid. Stop from scratching my rim because it's already a little bit scratched, which is quite cool. I've got the same hub as the front, apart from it's obviously the back one. The seal burns, same rim, and this is 90 psi Odyssey tyre, quite cool. And that's just about it. This is the sound of the hub. Yeah, thank you for watching my bike check.